The cleaning of heat exchangers is traditionally done with high-pressure water, a perilous and polluting method that leaves a sizable portion of the contamination on or inside the heat exchanger. With thermal cleaning, Thermo-Clean offers a growing number of leading companies a much better alternative. The main benefits are a higher performance, a lower energy consumption, and a considerably longer service life. An optimally cleaned heat exchanger takes longer to get dirty and uses way less energy due to a better exchange of heat. This ensures a longer service life and significantly lower costs in the long term, especially since your production equipment is performing optimally once again. Thermo-Clean takes care of the thermal cleaning of your heat exchangers. Thanks to the controlled heat and oxygen level, the cleaning process is extremely thorough for a fixed, transparent cost price and at a previously agreed delivery time. We remove all dirt, even in those hard-to-reach nooks and crannies. 1 kilogram of pollution results in 50 grams of dust after the thermal treatment. After the thermal cleaning, we rinse out all remaining dust. With a virtually 100% cleaning result, your heat exchanger is restored to delivering its original performance. This means perfect heat transfer, lower energy costs, and no residue that gets mixed in with your products. Every project starts with an in-depth inventory and preparation.
Bij de behandeling van materialen, zowel gewoon materialen als ook met de speciale reinigingen, is het zeer belangrijk dat wij kennis hebben van de vervuiling die op die materialen zit. Dat enerzijds voor te kijken of het wel technisch haalbaar is om die te verwijderen. En ten tweede natuurlijk ook of dat wel binnen het kader van veiligheid en het milieugebeuren haalbaar is. Daarnaast voeren wij dan ook dikwijls een thermische behandeling uit op de materialen. En dan kan het nodig zijn dat we bijkomende studies laten doen met externe bureaus om te kijken of het materiaal tegen die thermische behandeling bestaand is en dat zeker geen nadelige invloed daarop heeft.
Thermo-Clean wants to take care of all your concerns. That's why we offer various supplementary services after the cleaning, such as measurement readings, rust removal, bundle extraction and transportation. We like to share our solutions. How can we help you?